In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can send one-time view pictures here on Snapchat. Before you do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. And we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and open up Snapchat and tap the camera icon down at the bottom and take a photo or video. For example, I'll just take a black screen picture right here. And on the right hand side of that screen, you're going to want to find the little clock icon that's going to appear. This is going to be that time limit icon right here, and make sure to set to anything besides no limit. I recommend putting this at like 1 to 3 seconds. For example, I'm just going to put this on 1 second right here, but keeping it on no limit allows that snap to be replayed or saved in chat. When putting it on a time limit, that's going to ensure that your snap can only be viewed once. From here, you can add any text or filters or stickers that you would like. For example, I'll draw a smiley face right here with some teeth. And then all I have to go ahead and do is send it to whoever I would like. So I could send it to one of my mini hoes. Boom, we are good to go. And that person is only going to be able to see that picture once, and it's going to disappear after it's opened. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to all those comments down there. And if you could do us a favor and like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, we'd greatly appreciate it. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Peace.